Hi, friends. I want to share one sweet story. In fact, it's a reality with you. So, I went to an official trip to Delhi for one meeting. And while I was coming back in Air India flight, I met someone there who sat next to me. And instantly I connected with her. Like, she had such a positive aura. And I think I just got drawn to her and she got drawn to me, and we just started speaking instantly. I mean, without taking any further time to know each other. And we just in the event started knowing each other. So she asked me what I do, I asked her what she does, and things like that. And you will not believe, for like 2.5 3 hours flight, we were constantly having a great deep philosophical conversation all across. I was in a phase of my career where I was not sure where I was going, and I had a lot of opportunities which came up to me, but then due to some personal, I would say personal preferences, I did not choose those opportunities, and continued in where I was. And there was a time I just kind of thought of staying where I was instead of trying more about it, or doing anything about it, and be stagnant and settled. And I had no idea, I mean, that whatever she was saying is going to be the truth in short time. So she told me that, girl, you are going to fly to many countries, to many cities. So when she said that, I was in denial, okay, because I was leading India, and the max I could travel was within India. So she was like, you're going to have a great career ahead and things like that. And of course, I had a good career already, but the path that she told me, I never imagined myself into that path. So and you know what, it just happened. In just 6 months, I traveled to Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Australia, both the cities, Melbourne, Sydney, and Seoul, South Korea. So I think, and also I had some like a good travel to Goa. So I think Goa is of course within India, but still, I have been traveling from January to say May. I have like gone to 7, 8, 9 cities. So that was crazy. I mean, I couldn't have imagined myself doing that, but she actually predicted that. And she told me that, if that happens, I started laughing when she said that. But then she said, no, when it actually happens, do remember me. And you know what? I had saved her name like Shweta, my love, from Air India. So like when everything went on, and I got I got a promotion, and I was doing that role, and I Asia Pacific lead, and I was traveling the world. I was remembering her saying that few months back when I was in denial completely. And then after coming back, I said, Shweta, listen to me. Whatever you said just got right. And I'm very surprised because I usually don't believe in astrology. No offenses to anyone. But so, yes, thanks, Shweta. Thanks a lot for being such a good guide. And you're such a sweetheart. And I wish you all the best in whatever you do. You have a great positive aura, and I wish you all the best. Take care, sweets, and thank you so much for being so candid with me and talking to me. I really felt good. Thank you so much.